Jobu for me, Chamunina away yesterday. So Sunday and come on. Will be a happy Monday. And a video never channel a great lesson at the ma in Yanamumba and I say in Yanamumema. Titiruno, ya youth na sebi ye di obi ekunochino. As ye di obi yirechino. Yeah, where's any pana worry, but a person yes smart, ye did in the pana home. I be my Jerome Hono Mojejeji, my Jim product no. Edging go no. This video send serious lesson to you. Table 4 without time wasting. No. Let's go and watch this video and after no. Then discuss it. No be on channel or comment section. So we new to channel and so hit the subscribe button no. Like the video and the share will be Tianko in conclusion video no.
Hi everyone, so this video is for my concerned followers who have been sending me DMs to find out more about the prophecy that came about 2 months ago. And good news is that yes, now I have found the woman and I just did the needful. Thank you so much to all of you. This is the update. Everything has been reversed. I am free. To God be the glory. Yes, so thank you to all of you. Thank you so much. Everything is sorted. You are so amazing. God bless all of you who are so concerned about the whole situation. God bless you, especially Pastor Prince Elisha and the wife, Daddy and Mommy. God bless you. I know how much I've been on your case because of this issue. Thank you for the patience, for the love, for being there for me spiritually and physically. God bless you and make you even bigger. Daddy, thank you so much. And to all of you, I love all of you. If you're not concerned about this situation, if it's none of your business, just get out.
Enhänce, does it mean you saw something? But okay. Enhänce, Obama shot now comes a cover India and a warrior any officer, you know, or the year. It's a buyer, the neighbor said, about the patronity, and phone and son. Now, about the pouch.
Hey, I want to.
My brother, and I mean, FT will be going to and now to Sudan and some of us in cheap. William Penny for move here, born into me. You buy a sister, 77 pages. I mean, so come to me, like I said, already here, the NHM, you're breaking at once. On front of me. Now, so rain in money and none of that chinty, and the buy a patch. Said Mammy German cap, and yes, Sabi, a rawinty, and a who know the what. Jow and all year Musa. So what I said. Like I said, already here, the NHM, you're breaking at once. On front of me. Now, so rain in money and none of that chinty, and the buy a patch. Said Mammy German cap, and yes, Sabi, a rawinty, and a who know the what. Jow and all year Musa. So what I said. Into your best say, or didn't any munyam, she quantity a year two. Baby, free dental traffic. You do more about the disability. I bet you are saying any pen. The year chair, the bomb pie might be restored. Well, no, so didn't any munyam by the park in the cab book to do when you are uncle for Nimua, the same any picture more. Ninina, and you know, run a moon. It's your best, let's say. Infanche. The more back. And what? Ensure I create any sika 50 million 5,000 Ghana cedis. I did 2 your man so. Near the upper man, me chop. Say, we dear the I said, I've a pan of chop. Tina be di kan ba be pa mo. Why? Wase bu ko to di ma.
Enye we ntina me si mi ye mi. Oh, was on ne. Ayo. Adi di ye mi.
Juju ma so for
baby idea ni se no wan fan to ba
nani
enti ni ebe ye ni se nyankopon di tun fa ne nto nchan di enti no we di enyensa ebe di ka di su adane di abon ansana nso udi nyankopon di san ewra di sa na o mo ye o se
on yare that now what is some member be on baba na gbe senia mami ku ye no sa
so be pam chow mi hwe nyankopon nim enye before ka mi nye mi pini enne dia be si no be si enne dia ni papa abeso mi na ma mi so ma mi hwe ni maji no nti enne nsu dia mi de ma ono ade boni nyina ma bo no idane ni oko osofo no pompa e mana onya waripa
nya o ye ya na ka ye no so fa na ka ya sha sha ni dan
mi ya ngono ni baba to manya mako bogba akoko bo troy aba ma chat trafia na da sro po na nyu ne nda share po na nyu ne kaka
na mi na tu yo so di absam no di absam na mutri ya mpano watiasa na ko boy no penizwa why abasha na aba why
asam no wote no wonderful no wa be fi ma wo be fi wa be kan biara no we ya ni ba o se e tu ya de boni na ache ya de sin no so no wa ja tu bi se mo kan biara so no wa fe so no adada ni wa ma o payo eno me bia na di obi enu me nsamochi enne ye na mutumi no ho de so breki akwanche de be kwa kogu from e wa chi nyina ya kan
Ushanfo, what be share video we be a encounter like want I don't know. Me am here be my climate change and crown. I feel I feel for the woman. It's so serious. Saadi ekosi. The idea ekoso pa. Koso ankasa. Our Ghana. Especially even in the Europe. Young girls na mabana mood chasing kofo. Ekunu nomuno. We are where pass papa ewa jere. Na wo dinechi. Because of wunti. Wajane yere. Because of wunti. Wajane mashe. Because of wunti. Wapam wabane mkwala ne fiwo. Nkwala ne ebra abasai. Nkwala ne ntumi anko school. Ebima bedane armed robbers. Ebima bedane ashawo. Because of you. That's some single mistake na we here, no. You've divided the house. What I say? You have divided the house. Video will share a lesson. I didn't share it just for anything, but me a lesson. And I made the mammy near man or more share some video. And could you be connected that? Minia Bema and could you be a year da? Just I want to would see some more thing. And a Bema in your order will be to a sharp man. When I will see some more thing. When I see some more thing. And tea. Bema quid when I would on any rubber bed. Saadi we air koso ewe Germany. Saadi we air koso ewe Italy. Europe ankasa. Iwi ambani si bi form kunumechi no. Yati bida ba yani ebuye ne eguso. Yati bida yani ebuye ne eguso. So serious. So serious. So tram kwankwe na nipa no dome ono. Ofiri mu a wo problem kese obu o de areho ne su ne kwadanda afemewu ewu agya na mane ho because of you nti because of who a video enkasa nchero video entofu enkasa nchero pa in fact me a sensitive person. When this kind of stories be bape. We are na enyoma ekoso me video mu no. Very sad. I feel for the woman. A big lesson at the man minia mema and minia mbano. Munhye na mankwan kwadi obi kunu ho agro. Munhye na mankwan kwadi obi yere ho agro. E ba ma bi e fa chire ayo bibi e benyaw. Bible no kan. Osi mo amunji duabo ni muntie voice we ye. Osi ndi akwa wonsekuru. Ti asem ni ye. Wanfa eni ahomtie ambo wudia na enyaw no wendi fo. It's in the scriptures. The mo amunji cases in no it works pa ye adwuma. Duabo ye adwuma. So munye very careful. Very careful. Duabo kun a ukọ bonsam gym. The duabo ekumu a ukọ bonsam gym because we default when you panim and so default on Yankopon anim. O ye obi a no de ahomete ye obi bi e benyaw. Enti say dimpa yes na honya. Ene youth na ban ye dwene ne nkwa ye ndwene da ache ho. Onsa right now no o pese obeware no. Onsa right now no enema enkoye ma no. Se we nyame ampata no kwen na sakama me ne wu a. Mama ne wu a obey de break saade we ese bi a chichira abo na hwa na san no ukwa na kama me no firi mu a me sa asama me ken obi de nipa na wu famawu nipa na de ahomete ahye no akonfa ku no ho wafa edro poison anu mawu enti how are you going to deal with this thing sanya me pa na bebe mu a how are you going to deal with this thing ubon se wo fom su etio na wo yemu ma onana na obebre mo ya ade ya mo ndwene ho mo ya ade na ya mo ndwene ho pa bon so we innocent children ebebre wona nanom eba bebre because of your silly mistake bon so enti enye futuo pa na ede Yankopon say sister no so esi ayonko nua na fe no so but when you big lesson ema menu mienu se obi jere obi kunu enkonkodi agro. Enti abusuafo yeso nhira mo na nyam kese Bia meka mesi say won saka videos bia na manada screen so no na dia fa so WhatsApp e be twene react unya link bia so ahema ye metena so me cancel hu na mum ade a ye real esisi nipa brabo mu you know say ye dwuma ye ya no ye mfa unnecessary bia mba so. We talk about sensitive critical stuff and I can what I say enti ebusia for yesu onhyira mo na nyam kese. Peace, shalom. Domuni na ye besa so hia bio enumbre hia me e wo live Brad Price part 2 ebo Ghana time no 7 UK time 8 ye be share live ti yesu onhyira mo na nyam kese. Peace, shalom.
Thank you.